Nissan's first ever subcompact SUV, the Magnite, has made its global debut in India. The production spec version has been revealed and the SUV will go on sale in the country in November this year. India will be the first market to get the new global SUV and the Magnite will be exported to other markets as well. The new Nissan Magnite remains identical to the concept and design, while power will come from a new 1-litre turbocharged petrol engine paired with manual and CVT automatic options. It will also get a digital instrument console, 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a segment-first 360-degree view camera and lots more. Prices for the new Nissan Magnite are likely to begin from 6.5 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Mercedes-Benz has announced that it will begin local assembly of AMG models in India very soon. The German automaker's performance arm has a wide portfolio in the country, ranging from performance coupes, SUVs, coupe SUVs and supercars. As of now, all of them come to India as completely built units, but select models will be assembled at Mercedes-Benz India's Chakan facility in Maharashtra. The company will kickstart local assembly with the AMG GLC 43 4MATIC Coupe, which is scheduled to go on sale in the country in November this year. Mercedes says that the AMG GLC 43 Coupe would have been priced around the 1 crore mark if brought in as a completely built unit, but is now likely to be priced around 80 lakh rupees ex-showroom thanks to the local assembly. The AMG brand saw a year-on-year growth of 54% in 2019 that has prompted the car maker to go aggressive with its performance offerings. This is the first instance of a performance brand being locally assembled in India. And it's another exclusive from Car and Bike. India's largest fuel retailer, Indian Oil Corporation, is now diversifying in a new arena, car servicing. The company has tied up with Home Mechanic to launch Home Mechanic IND, which will provide car service and repairs at the customer's doorstep, irrespective of the vehicle brand, model and make. The tech-enabled Mech Mobile, designed by Home Mechanic, is akin to a workshop on wheels and houses special tools, diagnostic equipment and fast-moving spare parts. A 3-member technician team visits the customer's home and completes the job on site while following all the safety precautions in these times. Home Mechanic also offers basic to advanced packages for routine servicing, smoke sanitization protection during COVID-19 and waterless car washing and polishing. The company is currently offering services in Delhi NCR and will soon expand to Mumbai as well.
If you like that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.